I am on top of it. It always does that, guys, so there's nothing wrong. Okay, turn to now.
We see it as another chance to find a rainbow. Outfit your entire family for any season with 70% off at Zulily.com.
There's no way to hide from potentially deadly heart.
What is going on?
It's everywhere, and it only takes one mosquito bite to transmit it.
Wow.
You need to protect your dog.
Okay.
Just one tasty real beef chew every month and help.
No, I don't care.
Test dogs for infection.
Okay.
In rare cases, digestive and neurological side effects have been reported. For more information, contact your vet.
I don't know what's the problem here.
Ask your vet about HeartGuard Plus.
Okay.
The vet's #1 choice.
So let's get back on the plane.
I am never getting married. Never. Guaranteed. You picked a beautiful ring. Thank you. We're never having kids.
Don't over here.
You're never moving.
Okay, we're here, and I'm spawned back on. Oh gosh.
The nevers in life.
Okay.
In the Great Depression, nothing came easy. But with just 5 cents, a new truck, and a load of hay, John Tyson and his family found a way to deliver quality chicken to other hard-working people. Today, Tyson continues to find new ways to chicken in every country. Because people deserve farm-raised chicken of the highest quality. It's only to this simple promise. Always keep it real. Always keep it crisp.
Okay. I'm gonna have to fix the plane. I'm gonna have to get cyan color, a white color, and now. Okay. Hey, okay, I'm just gonna enjoy the ride until my time. Okay, we're flying, guys, we're flying. Sit down, everybody, sit down. Is he okay? He has to get down. It's okay, I got this. Oh, that. Okay, that's how we go. Okay, guys, we're taking off, so I'm gonna pause this part because right now we're like flying in the sky right now. He's flying. Oh my gosh, look at the pretty skies. Oh my gosh, they're overseas. Okay, this is really pretty, and now it's like gonna be nighttime, so I'm going to sleep, and when I wake up, we better be at the water park or either at the carnival or so good night, guys. Okay, guys, I'm here with my son, and